Hey guys, today's challenge is setting up a web app on Sagemaker Studio Lab and viewing it in a browser. Sagemaker is a fantastic platform for running and developing web UIs. But let's face it, the real magic happens when we can interact with our app. As a practical example, we'll use the Stable Diffusion WebUI notebook. Getting this one up and running is pretty simple. Run the installation block and the web app is ready to start. You probably already know the next hurdle. Simply starting the app won't cut it. So let's move on to the tunneling solutions to access the web UI. My personal favorite? Pinggy. It's simple, straightforward, and gets the job done using SSH. So first things first, we'll install it. We only need to run this step once and we're ready to fire up the start with Pinggy cell. Your temporary link will pop up in the output. It's that simple. Now sit tight, let your app start up and bask in the glory of your awesome UI. If you're running a different web app, simply change the command and port variables to match the parameters of your app. Pinggy is quick and easy, with the downside being the link will expire in an hour on the free tier. If this happens, a simple restart of the cell gets you a fresh link, and you're back in business. If the backend was doing some generative heavy lifting when the link expired, let it complete the work before restarting the cell. Now on to solution number 2. Zrok. It has a slightly lengthier setup process, but it's equally effective and the link won't expire while you're playing with your app. First, we need to install Zrok. Again, this only needs to be done once. Then, if you're new to Zrok, enter your email address in the email variable and run the Create Account step to create a new account. The output should end with a line saying an email was sent to the address you provided. Confirm your email and you'll get a link that leads to your token. Now go back to the notebook and paste your new token here, then run the enable cell to enable Zrok. As long as you don't change the token, you don't need to rerun any of these steps in future sessions. With Zrok enabled, you can run your web app. Just wait for your app to start and follow the link in the output. Those were my top 2 picks for running web apps on Sagemaker. Find all the necessary links in the description below to give them a try yourself. Don't forget to drop a comment sharing your tunnel of choice. Plus, exciting news. We're in the process of integrating support for Pinggy and Zrok into our Focus and Invoke AI installers for Sagemaker. Stay tuned for updates on that front. Until we meet again, keep creating and stay inspired.